Imagine you're building a bridge. If it collapses after 3 years, who's to blame? The same happens with software. It often fails because the code isn't good enough from the start. Imagine you're coding a project. With good code, not only will it work better, but you'll also save 20% of your time and money. That's like getting a raise. Think of code quality like car maintenance. Just as regular servicing keeps your car running smoothly, good coding practices ensure that your software works without crashes or performance issues. Code quality is like the blueprint of a building. It's how well your code is written, making it easy to understand, maintain, and improve. To ensure code quality, follow these simple practices. Write clear comments, stick to coding standards, and give your variables meaningful names. These steps make your code easier to understand. Did you know that the best coders write 10 times more comments than average developers? It's because they know it saves time in the long run. Writing clear comments makes your code easier to understand. Imagine clean code as a well-organized bookshelf, and messy code as a chaotic room. Clean code is easy to navigate, while messy code can be confusing. Poor code quality can increase project costs by a whopping 30%. That's a significant amount of money that could be saved with better coding practices. The code quality lifecycle has 4 stages: planning, development, testing, and maintenance. Each stage is crucial for ensuring your code is of high quality. Think of the code quality pyramid. It includes architecture, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. Each layer ensures that your code is of high quality. Can you spot the bug in this code snippet? It's a common mistake. Did you choose B, which prints numbers from 1 to 9? Metrics like cyclomatic complexity and maintainability index are crucial. They help us understand the code's complexity and ease of maintenance. Don't underestimate the impact of code quality. It's just as vital for small projects as it's for big ones. Think of code quality as the roots of a tree. Strong, stable roots are vital for long-term health and resilience. Code reviews are like peer editing in writing. They catch bugs and improve code quality. Which part surprised you most? Tell me in the comments.